Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, Real Wife, and I am here to do a product review. I have been contacted by a company that sells on Amazon, and they had asked me to review their makeup bag or toiletry bag. And after checking them out, I decided, okay, yes, that would be great. And basically, all I need to do is leave them a comment on Amazon, but I decided because I do like this product that I'm going to share it with y'all because if you're interested, it's a really good deal. But not only that, let's be honest. I mean, if the more videos reviews I do, the better my chances are for the future to help keep my channel going for products or things like that. So, but yes, I absolutely do love this. I received it. They contacted me and oh wow, it was fast. And I believe it was Miss Nancy. I was talking to, and it's by, I believe you pronounce the name Yuri. And I know a couple other people, that have received this bag as well. And they have a couple to choose from. But this is the makeup bag, and it come in a plastic bag in a box, and that was not the price, but that's the suggested retail price. Now I was gifted this to do a review on Amazon, so I did not pay anything for this, but yeah, and of course it was Amazon. It was I have Prime, so it was obviously free shipping, and then tax, and it was here 2 days. So I really liked it. I loved this print. It is like a blue, and it's hard to explain the color blue. It's not really turquoise. It's more blue than turquoise, but it has that hint, subtle hint. It's not like a royal blue or anything. And then it's got these mint green flowers and the pink. So this was the blue with pink flowers, and I thought it was super cute. It has a good base where it just sits up and has structure. It has the drawstring that you could, still closed or whatever. And then it comes also with this little zipper pouch that, and I apologize, I'm not used to y'all being up so high, but to stand this up, I had to move you up a little bit. And my son is coming in. So this, again, this is pre-recorded, so I will upload it sometime this week. And then I'm trying to, oh, I know where it was. I had folded this down. It had come with that. It had also come with this clear bag, I'm guessing, which would be great for like makeup brushes. And you can fold this down, and that's how they show it on Amazon. And it folds down, and then it's got this little snap that you can snap those together. And then I'm not sure if you can see, they have got these pockets as well. Now, to be honest with you, if I wanted to, really wanted to, I could turn it inside out. Now, yes, the tag's inside, but I could turn it inside out and then have the pockets on the outside. And, it's the mesh. And then it has these elastic loops for, makeup brushes or whatever you need. And like I said, it is made by Yuri. And this wouldn't even just be a great makeup bag. Think about carrying, things, toys for kids, or even your crafting supplies. How awesome would that be to have this? It really is a super cute bag. Now, it's very, seems to be very well put together, very good quality, honestly. I'm trying to tug, I'm trying to see, but yeah, I'm not even seeing the threads pull, really, or anything. I mean, it's just, it's really good quality, so I will say that. But you can, I can't wait to, actually, I am going to probably use it for my makeup, because I have been needing one. But I do. I like it. I love how it has. That's one thing about me. If I have a purse or anything, I need the structure bottom. I cannot stand it when everything collapses. But anyway, y'all, I'm going to leave the link down in the description box below. And if you're interested, please do me a favor. Open that description box. Please check it out. They have more than just this print to choose from. And so that's my observation. That's my review. I really love this. And I may even purchase more for my craft room. To put a few different things in to stay organized, and possibly be able to put like the kids' crafts, markers and crayons and stuff like that, chalk, that my grandbabies use, and then that way I can just pull it out. Well, as you can see, my sun's coming out. I thank you for stopping by and listening and supporting my channel. And be sure to click on the link in the description box below and go take a peek and see if there's any out there that you might like. Thank you all so, so much. I appreciate it. And as always, I wish you the best.